When you hear the word crypto, you might think innovation, freedom, opportunity, but when scammers hear it, they think that's the perfect crime. Because behind the promise of financial revolution lies a dark world of deception, manipulation, and fraud. Today, we're diving deep into how criminals use crypto not just to steal, but to hide in plain sight.
They got caught up in a cryptocurrency scam.
And now this retired Georgia couple is out of their life savings.
Why crypto appeals to criminals? Crypto is fast, it's borderless, it's decentralized, and in many cases it's anonymous. That's exactly what makes it powerful, and exactly what makes it dangerous. Criminals no longer need to go through banks or complicated offshore accounts. With just a phone and few clicks, they can move millions across the world in seconds with almost no trace. Let's start with one of the biggest scams in crypto, the rug pull. A group creates a new coin or token. It has a shiny website, a catchy name, maybe even an endorsement by influencers. They publish a white paper that sounds smart. They talk about their mission to disrupt the market. They hype it up in Telegram groups and social media. People start investing. The price rises. And then boom, they pull the rug. The developers vanish. The project disappears. The money gone. This isn't a rare event. In 2024, a flashy crypto project promoted on Telegram pulled this exact trick, stealing $180 million from unsuspecting investors. In under 3 weeks, they used AI-generated faces to create fake team profiles. They wrote fake testimonials. The entire thing looked real until it wasn't. Other popular crypto scams? Crypto scams come in many forms. Let's break down a few you need to know. Pump and dump schemes. A small group buys a coin early. They hype it up. People rush in out of fear of missing out. And once the price spikes, the insiders sell. The price crashes, of course. Everyone else is left with worthless tokens. Fake giveaways. You see a post, send 1 Ethereum, get 2 Ethereum back. Sounds exciting, but it's a scam. NFT? Laundering criminals create or buy digital art, sell it to themselves at inflated prices to clean dirty money. The artwork is just a cover. Deepfake founders using AI. Scammers create entire teams, faces, voices, LinkedIn profiles. None of them is real. Investors are convinced the project is legitimate when it's pure fiction. How they use crypto to launder money. Once they've stolen funds, scammers need to make that money clean, of course. Here's how they do it. Mixers and tumblers. Tools that blend crypto transactions to make them untraceable. Fake crypto wallets and exchanges. They make users deposit real funds, then disappear. Shell companies, registered in lax jurisdictions and funded with crypto. Digital assets in online games, virtual weapons, skins, or coins are traded and resold as clean assets. They also use gift cards, real estate, and even luxury goods, all bought using crypto to hide the money's origins. Who regulates this? In theory, this space isn't lawless. Some jurisdictions are stepping up. For example, the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, VARA, in Dubai is working to bring licensing, oversight, and structure to the crypto market. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has cracked down on fraudulent crypto offerings and insider pump schemes. But here's the problem. Crypto moves faster than regulation, and scammers know it. The emotional side, it's not just about money. For every high-tech scam, there's a human being on the other side. A college student who lost their tuition. A father who invested savings into a coin that vanished. A startup that partnered with a fake blockchain firm and now can't make payroll. They didn't lose just money. they lost trust. And trust is much harder to recover. How to protect yourself? If you're investing or even just curious, you need to be informed. Don't believe in guaranteed returns. Nothing in investing is guaranteed. Research the project. Is it registered with regulators like VARA or the SEC? Check the team. Are they real people with a verified track record? Avoid anonymous founders or projects without transparency. Don't click on crypto links sent in DMs or Telegram groups. And never share your wallet's private key or recovery phrase, ever. Be wary of urgency. Any project that pressures you to act fast should raise red flags. And if you are promoting crypto as content creator, do your homework. Your post could make or break someone's life. Crypto is full of promise, but also full of traps. Don't just protect your wallet, protect your community. Share this episode with anyone exploring crypto, because the only thing stronger than blockchain is awareness.